Today, we will talk about how to create your own cryptocurrency. When creating a new cryptocurrency, you can choose to make a coin or token. A coin has its own blockchain, while a token is built on a pre-existing network. Creating a token requires less expertise and effort than making a crypto coin. A coin will usually need a team of developers and experts to make it. A token still needs technical knowledge, but it's possible to create them in minutes through the use of other blockchains such as Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, BSC, Solana, and Polygon. Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain are popular blockchains for creating digital currencies. You can either use established code to create tokens yourself or pay to use a coin creation service. Sidechains are another popular choice as they provide more customization with the main blockchain's benefits. Before creating your own crypto, you'll need to consider its utility, tokenomics, and legal status. After this, your choice of blockchain, consensus mechanism, and architecture are all needed for the development stage. Next, you could consider an audit of your project and a final legal check. While pretty much anyone can create a cryptocurrency, developing a solid project requires serious work and dedication. The idea of creating your own cryptocurrency, use cases, and audience is an exciting one for many crypto fans. But where is the best place to start? There are actually many ways to create coins and tokens. The costs and knowledge also vary based on the complexity of your project. If you're thinking about creating your own cryptocurrency, our lays out the very basics for you to get started. What is cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency, also known as crypto, is a type of digital asset with multiple use cases. It's primarily a way to transfer value between people digitally, including monetary value, ownership rights, or even voting privileges. Crypto differs from other digital payment systems because of its roots in blockchain technology. This basis gives cryptocurrencies more freedom from central entities like governments or banks. Bitcoin is the most famous example of a cryptocurrency. It has a simple use case of transferring monetary value to anyone across the globe without the need for intermediaries. Its blockchain records all transactions and ensures security and network stability. Difference between crypto coins and tokens. Cryptocurrencies can roughly be split into two categories: coins and tokens. The difference between them is simple. Coins have their own native blockchain, like Bitcoin, for example. ETH has the Ethereum blockchain. Coins typically have a specific utility over the whole network, like paying for transaction fees, staking, or taking part in governance. Tokens are built on pre-existing blockchains. They might have some similar roles to coins, but tokens mainly have utility in their own projects. One example is PancakeSwap's Cake on Binance Smart Chain. You can also use it to pay for certain transactions in the PancakeSwap ecosystem, like minting non-fungible tokens or playing their lottery. However, Cake doesn't have its own blockchain, so it can't be used in every application across BSC. The same is true for the thousands of ERC20 tokens issued on the Ethereum blockchain. Each token is part of a specific project with different use cases. Creating crypto coins versus tokens. As mentioned, creating a token is much simpler than creating a coin. A coin requires you to develop and successfully maintain a blockchain. You could fork, create a copy, another existing chain, but this doesn't solve the problem of finding users and validators to help your network survive. Nevertheless, the potential for success with a new coin can be higher than just making a token. Creating a coin. Creating a new coin can take a lot of time if you develop your own blockchain. However, forking a previous blockchain can be done speedily and used as a base for your new coin. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, is one example of a forked project. To do this, you still need a high level of blockchain technical and coding knowledge. The success of your project will also rely on getting new users to your blockchain network, which is a challenge. Creating a token. Creating a token on an existing blockchain can leverage its reputation and security. While you won't have complete control over all aspects of your token, there is still a lot of customization available. There are a variety of websites and tools available to create your own token, especially on BSC and Ethereum. Create your own cryptocurrency in 7 steps. If you're only creating a token, not every step in the tutorial below will apply. What's more important would be the 3 design steps above. Most of our instructions will cover the basics of creating a blockchain first, before finally minting your coin. 1. Choose a suitable blockchain platform. For a token, you'll need to pick the blockchain to mint your crypto on. BSC and Ethereum are popular options, but sidechains can also be a good idea. To create your own coin, you'll need to think about designing or hiring someone to create a custom blockchain. 2. Pick a consensus mechanism. If you're creating your own blockchain or aren't sure which one to pick for your token, think about the consensus mechanism you want. These mechanisms determine how participants confirm and validate transactions on the network. Most blockchains use proof of stake as it has low hardware requirements and many different variations. Proof of work, as used in Bitcoin, is considered by some as more secure, but it's often expensive to maintain and not as environmentally friendly. 3. Design your blockchain architecture. This step is only needed if you're creating a coin. Not every blockchain allows the public to validate transactions or run nodes. The decision between having a private, public, permission, or permissionless blockchain is important. Your blockchain architecture will depend on what your coin and project are attempting to do. For example, a company or country creating a coin might run a private blockchain for more control. 4. Begin blockchain development. Unless you have expert development knowledge, you'll need external help to build your ideas. Once the blockchain runs in a live environment, it's extremely difficult to change its core concepts and rules. Make use of a testnet to ensure that everything works as planned and ideally cooperate with a whole development team to build your blockchain. 5. Audit your crypto and its code. Auditing companies like Certic can check the code of your blockchain and its cryptocurrency to look for any vulnerabilities. You can then publish the audit publicly and also act on its findings. This process provides some safety assurance for you as the creator and for any potential users or investors. 6. Double-check legal aspects. Now that you have your blockchain running and are ready to mint your cryptocurrency, it's best to ask for expert legal advice to check whether you will need to apply for permission. Again, this step is difficult to achieve alone and requires outside help. 7. Mint your cryptocurrency. Whether you're creating a token or coin, you will need to mint the cryptocurrency at some point. The exact method will differ based on your tokenomics. For example, fixed supply tokens are usually minted all in one go via a smart contract. Coins like Bitcoin are minted gradually as miners validate new blocks of transactions. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.